Recipe Palak Pakory. Take besan grind chana dal, add salt, red chili, turmeric, dry coriander, cumin, iwain. Chopped onion, green chili as per choice. Palak vegetable cut washed, use as your choice. Make batter with the help of water, nor liquid nor thick, and will rest 30 minutes. After cooking, oil hot in karahi and low flame. Add 1 spoon besan batter one by one. When one side cook, then other side cook. Palak Pakory ready. Serve with mint chutney or riata. Tasty, healthy. Fresh green coriander add if your choice. Cabbage also add if you want. Potatoes, small cut pieces, also add as per choice. Delicious pakory will ready. Color of pakory. Good looking. Serve with riata or ketchup. Easy make.